Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friends, this is me Asya and today I will show you in this video very stylish and beautiful collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And so beautiful overall collection in low maintenance for girls and women. You see in this video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. Very beautiful collection of choppy haircut. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Most popular blonde hair dye. Some ideas burgundy. Light brown, dark brown. Ash color. Grey color, black color. And some ideas highlights in blonde color, burgundy color, funky color, and so stylish ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Choppy hairstyle. And so beautiful collection of messy hairstyling. And so beautiful overall collection in attractive, beautiful low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, attractive hair dye. You see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very sweet and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.